Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So here you can see it, no posts yet. So how Instagram error, no posted yet. So how you can fix it? So first way, just try to refresh your page. So also after you can try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, you can also check your internet connection, but because mostly it happened because you have problems with your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi and just turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi, and if you use mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.